If you want to learn how to add a layer in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 3 easy ways to create a new layer, whether you prefer using the Layers panel, a keyboard shortcut, or the top menu bar. Adding layers is one of the most important basics in Photopea because it lets you edit non-destructively, move elements freely, and keep your design organized. So if you're new to Photopea, this is a skill you'll use all the time. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. The fastest way to add a new layer is by using the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. First, look over to the far right where your Layers panel is located. This is where all of your current layers are listed. At the bottom of that panel, you'll see a row of small icons underneath your existing layers. Find the New Layer icon. It usually looks like a small square page with a folded corner. Click that icon once and Photopea will instantly create a new transparent layer above your currently selected layer. This is the method most people use because it's quick, simple, and always right there on screen. Now let's go to the second method, which is the keyboard shortcut. If you like working faster, this one is super useful. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. As soon as you press the shortcut, a brand new transparent layer will appear in your Layers panel right away. This is great when you want to keep your workflow moving without reaching for the mouse. If you create layers often, getting used to the shortcut can save you a lot of time over the long run. And finally, there's also a third way to add a layer, using the top menu bar. At the very top of the screen, click on Layer. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over New, and then select Layer. This will also create a new layer in your document. This method is helpful if you prefer using menus, or if you want to see exactly where the command lives inside Photopea. No matter which method you choose, the result is the same, a new blank layer that you can use for text, shapes, drawings, effects, or any other editing task. Layers are the foundation of almost everything you do in Photopea, so learning this simple step will make the rest of your editing much easier. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick Photopea tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.